In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to direct message multiple users on Slack. By the end, you'll know how to start a single conversation with several teammates at once. Perfect for quick coordination without creating a new channel. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search page. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack website in the results. Then sign in to your workspace if you're prompted. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Slack interface with your sidebar on the left. In the sidebar, look for the Direct Messages section. This area holds one-on-one and small group conversations. It's ideal for short-term discussions, quick decisions, and sharing details that don't need a full channel. Click to expand it if it's collapsed so you can see your recent DMs. Next, find the three dots icon next to Direct Messages. Click it to start a new message. This opens a composer window with a To field at the top. This is where you'll choose who's included in the conversation. In the To field, begin typing the name of your first teammate. Select the correct person from the suggestions. Then keep typing to add more people. You can add several teammates here so everyone ends up in the same direct message. As you add names, you'll see them appear as recipients. If you make a mistake, remove someone by clicking the X next to their name before you send. Keep in mind, this creates a group direct message. Everyone included can see the conversation and each other's replies. For very large groups or ongoing topics, a channel might be better, but for quick, focused coordination, a group DM works great. Now move down to the message box and type your message. Be clear and specific so everyone knows the context and what you need from them. You can use the formatting tools to make key points stand out, attach files or screenshots if they help, and add emojis to convey tone. If timing matters, include a simple call to action and a deadline so expectations are clear. Before sending, double-check the recipient list and give your message a quick review. When everything looks good, click Send. Your new group direct message will appear in the sidebar under Direct Messages, ready for ongoing replies, file sharing, and quick follow-ups. That's it. You opened Slack, navigated to Direct Messages, created a new conversation via the three dots, added multiple recipients, wrote your message, and sent it. Keep conversations focused, avoid sharing sensitive information, and use mentions thoughtfully to respect notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.